From the moment you step foot inside the Walter E. Washington Convention Center, you can breathe easily, knowing that our Synexus Biodefense air handlers are working to break down pathogens. Our protocols for monitoring and treating the HVAC systems exceed public health hygiene standards. As you move through the building, feel the surfaces as our UVC modules sterilize escalator handrails and Surface Guard protects our porous surfaces. Be confident that surfaces are safe to touch because our electrostatic sprayers work to sanitize event spaces between functions. We've even employed a robot who uses high-output UVC to disinfect entire rooms. Thank you, Adabot. At Events DC, we are committed to move forward into the new healthy future of meetings and events. But don't just take our word for it. Events DC is excited to welcome you back to the Walter E. Washington Convention Center.